Okay. Today is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. And this is a special meeting of the Medical Marijuana Commission of the City of Pontiac here in the City of Pontiac City Council Chambers. Right now, it is 6:20 p.m., and I will officially call this meeting to order. Roll call.
Ford.
Present.
Wilson. Absent. Maley. Present. Pontiac. Present.
Okay. We have a quorum. Can I get a motion to excuse Commissioner Wilson?
Motion. Second. Excuse Commissioner Wilson.
Okay, then
And second.
moved and second. Roll call.
Maley,
Yes.
Parath,
Yes.
Ford.
Yes. Okay. I don't know of any amendments to the agenda. Okay. Hearing none, can I get approval of the agenda?
Motion to approve. Second that.
Been moved and second. Roll call.
Maley,
Yes.
Parath,
Yes.
Ford.
Yes. Okay. And can I get a motion for the approval of the minutes from our June 8th, 2023 meeting?
Motion to approve. A second.
Been moved and second. Roll call.
Parath,
Yes.
Ford,
Yes.
Maley.
Yes.
Okay. That was item number one. Item number two is a commission attorney's report. And we have Commissioner, is it Rafi? Rafi, I'm sorry. Okay, you have the floor, sir. You have the floor.
Good evening, everyone. We're here today based on a motion to adjourn today's hearing based upon the court's prior order that remanded back to the commission to make specific findings of fact on Nature's Remedy application. Just as by way of background, on 5/12/2022, Nature's Remedy application for conditional approval of a medical marijuana permit was denied due to a low score. I believe they ranked 6 in the application scoring. The applicants appealed the commission's decision to the Oakland County Circuit Court. On 4/13/2023, the court ordered the matter be remanded back to commission to make specific findings of fact, specifically to adjust the score of Nature's Remedy's application. On 6/5/2023, Pontiac City's motion, prior to 6/5/2023, the Pontiac City filed a motion for reconsideration with the court, which was denied on 6/5/2023. Per the court rules, there were 21 days to seek leave to appeal that decision, which was done on 6/23/2023, when Pontiac City filed an application for leave to appeal to the Michigan Court of Appeals because the circuit court's decision was, in the opinion of the city's attorney, a vast overreach and runs afoul of the commission's authority to make an independent final decision supported by competent evidence. The court has yet to decide the city's application for leave to appeal. Today, there's a motion for the commission to adjourn today's hearing, a continuance to hold these proceedings in abeyance until a decision is made by the Court of Appeals. Based on our reading of the Michigan court rules, the commission is within its right to do so because the judgment is not currently effective per MCR 7.114C. Alternatively, the commission can fulfill the circuit court's order, remanding the case and granting additional points to the applicants or make an independent final decision that would be inconsistent with the court's order. The commission attorney recommends adjourning today's hearing until a decision is made on the motion for leave to appeal.
So just so we're clear, our options are to adjourn so that the city can, in layman's term, I'm talking, can get a ruling on the, from the Court of Appeals, or we can take action and vote on the rescoring of Nature's application, Nature Remedies application, or we can take action by give me the third option again, just so I'm clear.
Or alternatively, an independent final decision that can be made that's independent with the court's order.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
But you were correct on your first two counts.
All right, thank you, sir. Is there any discussion on the Mr. Raffe's report from any of the commissioners? Yes, sir.
I'll have a few. I'm sorry for everyone and myself that this continues. However, I've come in early today to re-review the case and the appellant's arguments. I still don't really see the difference, and I disagree that we didn't give credence to the argument or review things properly. When we went back through it, I went back through it this afternoon, I still saw the same, I still read the comments and saw the application in the same light. And I believe that nothing has really changed in my mind. I don't wish to go against a court order, but since there is an appeal that's on file, until the appeals court either rules on that, or they need to rule on that appeal and either decline to hear the case or accept it. And I would propose we wait at least till we hear from the Court of Appeals. To my knowledge, it's only been a day or a few days, right? It was filed last Friday on the 23rd.
June 23rd, yeah.
Okay, so I mean, I would wait to hear on the Court of Appeals ruling on the motion.
You have anything?
I'm just going to add to Commissioner Maley there. I didn't see much either to change. In fact, I saw a couple new issues that just keep me thinking in the same way about this. I'm not seeing anything to change my mind either. Mr. Ford.
All right, well, just so we're clear, I hear what both of you have said, but we have to decide today three things: whether we're going to adjourn it while it goes through the appeals process, or whether we're going to rescore it based on the circuit court ruling, or whether we're going to rescore it based upon our own findings. So if what I'm hearing from both of you that your desire is that we adjourn, that we forego options number 2 or option number 3, which are to rescore based on the court's ruling, or to rescore on our own, and that your desire is to adjourn.
Yes, my desire is to adjourn.
Okay. All right. Well, can I get a motion then to suspend the rules to amend the agenda to add add a resolution of the Pontiac Medical Marijuana Commission to adjourn the hearing pending appeal and to remove agenda item number 4, which is the rescoring of the application for a medical marijuana provisioning center conditional permit for applicant Nature's Remedy of Pontiac LLC in accordance with the decision of Oakland County Circuit Court case number 22-194385-AA, following appeal in command.
Motion to remove agenda item 4.
Okay. So your motion to amend,
We need a motion to amend the agenda.
yes, and to add the resolution to adjourn and then to remove item number 4. So that's,
Yes.
okay.
Motion to amend the agenda, adding the continuance until we hear from the Court of Appeals, and removing item 4, or remanding it until our next meeting,
Okay,
based on the Court of Appeals ruling.
okay,
Second.
okay. Been moved and second to suspend the rules and amend the agenda to add the resolution to adjourn the hearing pending appeal and to remove item number 4, which is the rescoring of the Nature's Remedy application. Roll call.
Ford,
Yes.
Maley,
Yes.
Prath.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I get a move and support for the resolution of the Pontiac Medical Marijuana Commission to adjourn the hearing pending appeal?
Motion to adjourn.
I will second.
Okay. It's been second and supported. I will read the resolution. Just for the record, we made a move and support for the resolution when I should have read the resolution so we understand what it reads, commissioners. So I'm going to do that, and then I will ask you again for whether or not you support it. Okay? All right. Resolution of the Pontiac Medical Marijuana Commission to adjourn the hearing pending appeal. And whereas applicant Nature's Remedy, Pontiac LLC, applied for conditional approval of a medical marijuana permit for 278 and 290 West Walton Boulevard in the Walton zoning district, and such application was denied on May 12, 2022, after consideration by the commission. And whereas the commission's decision was appealed to the Oakland County Circuit Court, and whereas the Circuit Court on April 13, 2023, issued an opinion and order remanding the matter back to the commission with instructions to make certain scoring adjustments. And whereas the city filed a motion for reconsideration and the Circuit Court denied the motion in an order dated June 5th, 2023. And whereas the city has filed its application for leave to appeal with the Michigan Court of Appeals on June 23rd, 2023. And whereas Michigan Court Rule 7.114, open parent C, close parent C, close parent states, unless otherwise ordered by the Circuit Court or the Court of Appeals, a judgment is effective after expiration of the period for filing a timely application for leave to appeal, or if such an application is filed after the Court of Appeals decides the case. Now, therefore, be resolved that the Pontiac Medical Marijuana Commission, under authority of Michigan Court Rule 7.114, open parent C, close parent, adjourns this matter until after the Court of Appeals decides the case. Now, can I get a move and support for the resolution?
Move we adopt this resolution.
Okay.
Second.
Okay, it's moving to second to adopt.
Second.
Okay, Roll call.
Maley,
Yes.
Pratt,
Yes.
Ford.
Yes. Okay. Next item is public comment. Is there anyone in the audience that has any comments? You have 3 minutes. All right, hearing none, then can I get a move to adjourn the meeting?
Motion to adjourn the meeting. Second.
Okay, it's been moved and supported to adjourn. Roll call?
Maley,
Yes.
Pratt,
Yes.
Ford.
Yes. Okay, been approved, and it is 6:35, and I will officially call this meeting adjourned.